Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making a classic Tuscan summer salad, Panzanella. This salad is the perfect way to use up day-old bread and incorporate some delicious fresh summer vegetables into your diet. It's really quick and easy to make, so let's jump into the recipe. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, you can toast your bread in a frying pan.
I'm using half of a stale loaf of Italian bread. Mine has a mix of white, whole wheat, and rye flour, and I'm just tearing it into chunks. You can use any thick cut stale bread you have. We're going to drizzle 2 tablespoons of a good quality olive oil over our bread. We'll save the rest for our dressing. Season generously with salt and toss it all together. Now into the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes until nice and toasty. Slice 4 beautiful heirloom tomatoes into chunks. I'm using a variety of colors because I love the way it makes a salad pop. I prefer to use heirloom tomatoes in this recipe because they really have the sweetness of summer. But if you're going to use a different tomato, make sure it's on the vine. Slice half a cucumber lengthwise down the center and then de-seed with a small spoon. Slice your cucumbers into half moons and then pop them in the bowl with your tomatoes. While artichoke hearts aren't traditional in a panzanella salad, I love the texture they bring, and they have a lovely salty brine when they've been pickled. Slice half a red onion into rounds. I'm soaking mine just for a few minutes to allow for that sharpness and bitterness to come out of the onion so that all that remains is the beautiful sweetness and texture. Our bread is nice and toasted, so let's take it out of the oven and let it cool slightly. Rinse off 2 tablespoons of capers. Whether you're using salt-packed or brined, you'll want to give these a good rinse. Now pluck and wash a good handful of fresh basil leaves. In goes our basil and our onions. And now on to our dressing. In goes 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, a good sprinkling of salt, and a nice crack of black pepper. Give your dressing a really good stir. In go our nice toasted bread cubes, and in traditional Black Cat Kitchen fashion, my bowl's too small. That's better. And we're gonna give this a stir with our hands. Once your ingredients are nicely mixed together, pour your dressing all over the top and continue to mix. The bread is already starting to absorb the juices from the dressing and the tomatoes, and it's just going to be so flavor-packed. I like to top my panzanella salad with some shredded mozzarella di bufala. Or you can keep it vegan by leaving the cheese out or using your favorite mozzarella substitute.
Thanks so much for watching. If you want another great Italian recipe, check out my mom's meatballs just there. And make sure to hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below with your favorite summer salad. See you next time.